Of crashes, especially along the lakeshore, including this mess on I-196 in South Haven. 2 people are in the hospital. We don't know how serious their injuries are. Storm Team 8 is tracking the snow and the cold temperatures. Our team coverage starts with Chief Meteorologist Bill Steffen tonight. Bill?
Well, we're in for a very cold night here in West Michigan. A lot of areas, even in the city, down to 10 to 15 below. And we've still got some snow showers to talk about. Main band of snow is right along the beaches area here in Muskegon, comes onshore into southwest Ottawa County and down through Allegan County. And this area has seen over a foot of snow since this all began. And you will continue to see at least a couple of inches of snowfall here this evening in this area. Inland, not much going on, and that will continue to be the case here overnight tonight. We have the winter storm warning for Allegan, Van Buren, Berrien, and Cass counties. That runs until 7 o'clock, as does the advisory for the other lakeshore counties and Kalamazoo County. This again should expire at 7 o'clock. We also have the wind chill advisory, which will continue until 10 a.m. tomorrow morning for wind chills as cold as 25 below zero. It's going to be a cold start to Friday. Temperatures down to 3 in Grand Rapids. You can see it's already 0 at Big Rapids and Mount Pleasant. Temperatures should drop a good 15 to 20 degrees for our low temperatures tonight. Winds still hanging up out of the northwest. Those winds will go almost calm tonight and then turn around to the south at about 5 miles an hour during the day tomorrow. Wind chill stay chilly. Our wind chill currently minus 14 in Grand Rapids. I could see wind chills to 20 below or colder here overnight tonight. You can see temperatures fall below 0 by 2 a.m. Even downtown Grand Rapids could be as cold as 8 below. Kyle's been out in the cold, and he's going to tell you about this chill hanging on for tonight and tomorrow.
Oh, Bill, it's an unpleasant northwest wind here in Jenison at about 15 miles per hour. I have a handheld wind chill gauge, and we're getting a steady minus 10 wind chill here in eastern Ottawa County. It's a cold night. Despite that, we still have some hardy kiddos here that are out doing some sledding tonight. And if you're bundled up and you do it for short little stints, it's not that bad. It's manageable. I actually borrowed a sled and went down the hill myself. I hate to admit it, but it's true. Take a look at wind speeds right now. We're seeing sustained winds here between about 10 and 20 miles per hour. And so when you factor that in with the temperature, these are wind chills as cold as 10, 15, almost 20 degrees below zero here across West Michigan. And our forecast takes us there. These are forecast temperatures and wind chills. Dark blue lines on the top, those are temperatures. You can see we get down into the double digits below zero tonight in most of West Michigan. In fact, areas outside of major metro areas, especially north and east of Grand Rapids, we could see temperatures quite a bit colder than this, but we're forecasting 12 below in Grand Rapids. The existing record is 13 below, set back in the 60s, but wind chills, that light blue line with the black text, we could be down in the 20s below zero for tomorrow morning. So that may be quite the consideration for school administrators for districts that do have school this week, deciding whether or not to have the kiddos come in or not. More on this cold, how long it's going to last, plus snow in the 8-day forecast. Bill will be back with that in a few minutes, but for now, we're live in Jenison.